DJT stock analysis. Overall Tuesday, is it a buy or not? Main objective here for me was I wanted to see a double break, and it's actually really heading up now. That's phenomenal. And sad part is that I want to see like a little retracement right now. Like one break is not fair, like enough for me. And again, this is just personally me, but that's still would make sense even if the price does not give me that second break or like that pull down and a break above it. I'm not gonna like sit here and try to force stuff, because look, like I really don't have no control over how the price goes. All I have control is how I respond to what the price gives me, you know. So instead of assuming I'm gonna react, in this case I'm just waiting in this, you know, like I mean, some people think I'm lying, but like it's 99% of the time you're waiting, 99.8% of the time you're waiting, and then pulling the triggers when the rules are met. So if you want to learn the strategy for free and want to make more money, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.